Forget chicken, coronation carrots, that's where it's at. Perfect for those occasions where you have to bring something. There will be queues of people showering you with your praise, celebrating your exciting combinations of flavour that the coronation carrot brings to the dish. You're in for a treat. Now please don't be perturbed, because we've all got memories of that little sweaty box filled with some anemic chicken in like a sweet curry sauce. That's not what we're doing today. We're doing something vibrant, fresh, full of flavour. Gonna impress your friends, gonna impress your parents, gonna impress the Queen. So what do you do when you roast carrots? It depends on the size of your carrot. So like bunch carrots when they're really young and new, not like these ones, you can just roast whole and they make really good. Or you can cut them in half lengthways because you like a bit of theatre and theatrics that you get with a big long carrot stuffed on your plate. But with this one, because we want it to be quite small and mixed in with a lot of stuff, we're gonna do something which is called a roll cut, which is dead simple. And all it does is it just creates, you get all these jazzy little angles which just caramelize in the oven, pick up loads of flavour, perfect for a dish like this. If you want to do them bigger, feel free. If you want to do them smaller, feel free. It's your carrot, your life, your right, your body. This makes a fantastic sort of side dish snack to any outdoor dinner party. But guess what you can use coronation carrots for? Sounds mental. You can use it as a sandwich filler. So if you've got any leftover, then it'd be a great way you could ruin your kids' lunch the next day by putting it in their packed lunch. I like to roast most things at a super high temperature so you get that instant and loads of flavour. So a little bit of olive oil, because I want to give them that sort of slightly spiced flavour. Gonna use garam masala, which is everybody's favourite curry mix. Ooh, it smells delicious. Something about cloves, which really just set the nose on fire. There we go. Look at that. They smell good. Generous bit of salt, because when you roast some things, you want it to be delicious. Big twist of pepper, and they're ready for the oven. It wouldn't be a coronation dressing, would it, without some sultanas. Now, some people just chuck them in like this, which you can do, but you're a fool if you do, in my book. Top bit of fun for yous. If you want to make your little sultanas even more special, even more regal, as some would say, put in an Earl Grey tea bag. If you're not such a passionate royalist, any flavoured tea you want. Right, the dressing. It could not be more simple and more delicious if you tried. It's one of those weird sort of nostalgic tastes, not always for the right reason, because often crappy, horrible coronation chicken dressings are essentially just mayonnaise and curry powder. This is a lot fresher, a lot more vibrant. We've got some yogurt. We're gonna squeeze some lemon juice in as well. We're gonna mince up some garlic, put it in, and some mango chutney to really set it alive. Ready? Look at that. That is, oh. I put in a teaspoon of curry powder. Put in some pepper in. Right, now that is 1,000 times better than the shop-bought coronation sauce. Look at the colour they've gone. They're just lovely. I know roast carrots isn't rocket science, but there's something really bloody beautiful about little soft, golden, perfectly roasted carrots. You can just add the carrots to the dressing, keep that, serve it as a side, have it as sandwich filler, whatever you want, but you can also make delicious salads. So in a bowl, I've just added some leaves, some cooked green beans, some red onions, some celery. Gonna get the dressing in, mix it through, and give it a nice stir. And this is a way of just turning it into something a bit more exciting. Look at that, that is lovely. I love the look of these leaves coated. Now you can also mix in the radishes as well. Squeeze a lemon. There's nothing like herbs just to add that extra dimension of flavour. So I've got some coriander and some mint, and I'm just gonna rough chop it, mix it all together, chop it up. That looks unbelievable. I bet you were laughing when I said coronation carrot. And to be honest, first time I heard it, I laughed as well. I thought that sounds absolute pants. But then thinking about it, all these flavours are just so perfect for each other. Almonds, mango chutney, yogurt, really lovely spiced roast carrots. There's absolutely nothing not to love at all. Have a go, get involved, try it out. We don't do these for fun, we really want you to give them a go. Get in contact, let us know how it went. Let us know any feedback, any other vegetables you'd like to see us talk about, cook or prepare. We'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more Weekly Veg Hacks.